Okay, here we have my buddy Chad's 2006 Chrysler 300 SRT8 that has been having a misfire on cylinder number 6. It's been an ongoing issue, intermittent misfire. Today I'm using the Smoke Pro smoke machine, and I'm smoke testing the intake as pretty much all other measures have been taken to locate this intermittent misfire. And as I suspected, it is I can zoom in here. This is actually, the coil says number 2, but that's where I swapped the coil. The number 2 is actually, where it says number 2 is number 6. And if I can zoom in down here where the intake meets the cylinder head, you can see there's little bubbles right below where my finger is, and there's also little puffs of smoke coming out. So I would say that replacing the intake gasket is going to definitely fix this intermittent misfire on cylinder number 6.